Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a 15-minute feel-good routine for you. You can do it in the morning to start your day feeling good. You can do it midday to give yourself a break from the desk, or anytime during the day when you want to lift the mood and feel good. But before we begin, if you like my videos, guys, consider subscribing to support free Qigong videos on YouTube. If you would like to join me every Sunday on Zoom, you can join my membership site, as well as other courses and tutorials that you can find there. I'm going to put a link right in this corner, and you can go straight to the website and get all the information that you need. So go ahead and get ready, and let's begin today's practice. So stand up nice and tall, soften your knees, relax your tailbone down, release your spine, and relax your neck and shoulders. Take a moment to settle in, ground yourself, and prepare for the practice. Then make your hands into a loose fist. We're gonna twist and turn. Be mindful here, you want to start this movement from your legs. So keep your knees comfortably bent, your hips relaxed, and just get into this flow. Feel your feet firm on the ground, connected and grounded. Same time, lengthen through your spine upwards. Keep your chin slightly in to lengthen and open the back of the neck. And become aware of your entire body. Just feel it from head to toe. Then add gentle breathing, so inhale on one side, exhale on another. One more. And exhale. Slow down here. Come back to center and unwind. Open your hands, relax your whole body. Then go ahead and stretch upwards through your fingers. Come up on your toes. And literally lengthen through your entire body. Then release and soften down. Breathe naturally here. It doesn't have to be linked to the movement. All you want to do is to stretch upwards or lengthen. Hold, 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 opening your entire body, and then soften and release. Releasing from head to toe. Feel that flow of relaxation. Go ahead and do two more here. Go up. Use your toes for balance. Same time, be aware of your fingers reaching as high as you can. Release and relax. We do one more. Go up. Open, open, open. And soften all the way down to your feet. Feels good already. Next, we're going to bounce into the heels. To release the spine, relax the muscles of the back, relax your neck and shoulders. Keep it gentle. Keep it soft, pleasant, and enjoyable. Very, very good. Quick check with your body, notice how you feel already. Then go ahead and rub your hands together. Make sure your hands are nice and warm for your practice. Then we're going to massage the nose to prepare us for deep breathing. Just the entire nose. Even the ender, you can pinch a few times. Make sure it's warm. And then we're going to massage the center between your eyebrows, or just above. Change hands. And relax. Okay, next, bring your hands in. Breathing in through the nose, out the mouth. Focusing on opening the chest, expanding the rib cage, getting all that air in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep it even, keep it gentle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your chest and notice how you feel already. Then we go in reverse. We're going to inhale, expanding the ribcage, opening the chest. Full breath here. Exhale, lower the hands down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel. What changed? How you feel after this exercise, after deep breathing. Very good. Then shake off again. Keep your hands nice and warm. Very good. Next, we're going to do the crane movement, the different variations. So we're going to combine them into a small sequence. So I want you to keep your feet parallel with shoulder width apart, knees soft, tailbone down. And squat down a little bit. Using your legs, relaxing the lower back. So sink down. Okay? And then we're going to inhale, come up on the toes. Then exhale, squat down, arms cross in front of the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Remember, keep your breath nice and easy. No need to overdo it. Just softly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. Relax. Relax your hands by the side. Soften your whole body. Notice the warmth and awareness that begin to spread throughout your body. Sense of tingling or aliveness inside you. Next, bring your feet closer together. This is good for balance, coordination. So we're gonna raise the hands and lift the leg up. Then release and repeat on the other side. Also adding the breathing to that, we're gonna inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Continue. Nice and easy. Find stability and strength in your legs. Try to keep your lower back nice and relaxed. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more on each side. Breathe in. And breathe out. Feet parallel. Relax, relax, relax. Relax your lower back. Soften your hips. Relax your legs. And let everything soften and melt down. Feel that relaxation. Very good. Then take a nice deep breath in. Come up on your toes. Then exhale down the center. Again, big breath in. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. And again, take a moment here to observe and notice how you feel. Deep breathing gives us that natural boost of energy. Notice how different areas of the body feel, bringing your awareness to your body. Very, very good. Then shake off your legs, rub your hands together. And gently knock on the head. Then the bottom of the neck. Same with the other hand. Very good. A little bit on the chest. Then the tummy. In no particular order, just all around. And then move to the kidneys. Down the sides of the legs. Go as low as you can. Come up on the inner leg. And finish at your hips. One more time. Go down the sides of the legs. And come up. Relax your hands. And bounce into your heels one more time. Make sure you stay relaxed and loose. Full of energy. Full of life. Very, very good. One more deep breath in. And then bring your breath and awareness to your lower abdomen. Bring your hands on your belly. Ground yourself. Center yourself. And if you feel good, smile to yourself. Relax your hands by the side. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys feel much better than before this video. I wish you a good day. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.